Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video we are going to discuss about assessment tools for global industrial AI enterprise transformation achievements. So let's discuss. In the last session we discussed three types of methods to measure a degree. So that methods which helps to embrace the IT systems. Am I right? So that three methods are DREAMY and SMSRL, and the third one is MOM. Yes. So the DREAMY is nothing but Digital Readiness Assessment Maturity Model, and the second one is Smart Manufacturing System Readiness Level, and the third one is Manufacturing Operations Management. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about the assessment tools. Okay, so in nowadays the present manufacturing industries, there is no standard for evaluating some intelligent capabilities maturity level for industrial transformations. So which means in IT sectors, in every capabilities, so which can provide for assessing the transformations for an enterprises. Okay, so we can however we can use some tool well-known tools for evaluating the maturity of industrial AI. Okay, so the two tools are the one is Industry 4.0 tool and the second one is WEF. Okay, so the Industry 4.0 tool which is developed by Singapore Economic Development Board, so which is called as an EDB, and the second one is World Economic Forum. So these two tools which helps for evaluating the maturity of an industrial AI. So let's discuss one by one. So the first method is Singapore Smart Industry Readiness Index. Okay, so this index which was developed by the Singapore Economic Development Board, so and which is validated by an expert advisory panel. Okay, so this is the index for Singapore Smart Industry Readiness system, so which is called as a SIRI. So why the SIRI was introduced means, so it is the world's first government developed Industry 4.0 tool for national transformations. So and this index will help many companies so that companies determine where to start and how to expand and how to sustain their effort. So they can so this SIRI will help these kind of questions, and also this SIRI which helps for the many evaluation framework. So it consists of three main components. There are process, technology and organizations. Okay, so all of these three process which is considered for the intelligence transformation system, and the three cores can be divided into 8 key categories, and the 3 cores and 8 categories, these are mapped in and according to the 6 evaluation dimensions. Okay, so 8 key categories are operations, supply chain, product life cycle, and automation, connectivity, intelligence and talent readiness, and the last one is structure and management. So these are the 8 key categories. Okay, and 16 evaluation dimensions are vertical integration and horizontal integration and integrated product life cycles, and shop floor, enterprise and facility, and next one is workforce learning and development, and leadership competency, and inter and intra-company collaborations, and the strategy and governance. So these are the 16 evaluation dimensions. Okay, so these companies can use these dimensions and to evaluate what stages they are at on their journey and towards the Industry 4.0. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So the first level is process change. Okay, so here the process change is nothing but we are no longer to focus on their process improvement. Okay, so that time the cost must be reduced and the product shortened in time to market. Okay, so these concept of process which has been extended to include the some integration companies like operations or supply chain or product life cycle method. So that time the process change will occur. Okay, so in this process change it is the operational level. Okay, so it is classified into three main core components. No, so there are operations, supply chain and product life cycle. Am I right? So let's we discuss one by one. So the operations is nothing but which is depends on whether the companies adopt a new technologies or new methods, so which is achieve many faster the like conversions or any raw materials which is into a goods and services. Okay, so at the lowest cost. Okay, so these are the changes in the operations level. And next one is supply chain. So the supply chain is nothing but that is that model becoming more and more digitized. So the key data are collected, then through the sensors, then loaded within the supply chain, then connected with the central data for the analysis, data analysis management for the purpose. And next the data are gathered during the product life cycle method. Then the business systems and personal data, they can be integrated, then creating a new unified information platform, so which can be digitally managed and allowing some decision makers. So these are the process come under the supply chain. And the next core components product life cycle. So in this product life cycle some products can be changed and during the lowest cost or some reduction in their process. So that time the product life cycle method can be occurred. And then next level is technology level. So in this technology level they used some advanced technology like cloud computing, machine learning or IoT or any industrial these technology can use any industrial transfer environment. So that technology can adapt any physical assets or equipments or some enterprises systems, so that systems can be constructed into some achieve continuous feedback for their products. Okay, or their business. So this technology can integrated many systems or many flexible companies. In science scientifically they are related to some evaluations of falls into the three category, means that three categories come under in the technology side. Okay, so that three categories is nothing but automation, connectivity or intelligence. So these three categories can change the technological evaluation level. Okay, and the next one is organization level. So in this organization level which occurs it is fully occurred in the inside of the company. This transformation mission, that is industry 4.0 which is occurred the entire staff, and why means it is a keep up with the pace of changes. Okay, so that's why we are using the organization level in SIRI. So it is classified into two types of key. The first key is it is achieving their goal in their organizations or any composition companies, and the second level is which is way the organization operates, in which way they are operating their organization. So this is the two key factors in the organization level. So this is the assessment. So in this session we discussed only the Singapore Smart Industry Readiness Index system only. So the next point we will discuss in the another session. This is the reference. Thank you.